Welcome to this inside tour of a modern pleated filter cartridge manufacturing facility. In this video, we will explore how industrial filter cartridges are produced using advanced automated equipment. From Indro, the process begins with filtration media preparation. Materials such as polypropylene, polyester, and glass fibers are selected depending on the filtration application. Next, the filter media enters the pleating machine where it is folded into uniform pleats. This step is essential because pleating greatly increases the filtration surface area. After pleating, the media is shaped into a cylindrical form. The seam is sealed to create the cartridge body. Support structures such as inner cores or outer cages are installed to maintain cartridge stability. During operation, plastic end caps are attached using infrared welding machines developed by Indro, ensuring strong and leak-free sealing. Each cartridge undergoes inspection to verify structural strength and sealing quality. Finished cartridges are packed and prepared for shipment to filtration system manufacturers worldwide. This factory tour shows how advanced machinery enables efficient production of high-quality pleated filter cartridges. Contact with us for more filters making technology.